Since quarantine started last year, as students, we were forced to switch from having classes in a physical classroom to an alternative way, which was the use of virtual meetings, a situation that luckily we have been capable of dealing with. This current learning method actually works, however, it is not in the same way. First, we can acknowledge factors that both types of education have in common. The first one is that even though you are not attending classes in a physical classroom, you still need to wake up early in order to be on time for your classes, because attendance is still being registered. The next similarity is that you can keep working in teams. This can be a type of blessing in some cases, but in other it can be just as bad as being kicked in the face by Cristiano Ronaldo. Nevertheless, this is possible due to the use of different software tools. Despite those similarities, this does not mean they are exactly the same. To prove that, we can point out clear differences between them. First, let's imagine this situation. The teacher asks the class something related to the topic. You open your microphone and give him the best explanation you have ever given to a person. But then you realize that your screen has frozen. After that frustrating moment, you read a text below the screen which says, "Your internet connection is unstable." I do not need to imagine being in that situation because I have already experienced it. And not only then, I have talked with other classmates using Discord or Zoom to communicate. But then the internet connection icon turns from green to red. And that leaves me no other choice but to start again with my explanation. In conclusion, we can see how these methods relate to each other, which is great, but it doesn't necessarily mean they work in the same way or that they have the same effectiveness.